You want some of that chicken?
Today we're making chicken jerky tenders for our canine friends. If you've got a pup dog, they're gonna love you for this. Now you can buy these at the big box stores, but a bag this size is like $30.
Ouch!
It is not like me. It is not American made. I don't know about you. If you love your pet, there's been some bad stuff coming from overseas. So we're gonna make our own. It's so easy. We got a dehydrator, but you can do this in your oven. And slice up some chicken breasts, really thin, and then we're gonna put them on a dehydrator overnight. Thin is the key to this secret. Man, I just got this knife. Man, this thing cuts like butter. You know what? I'll put a link down below in the description where you can find yourself one too. We're going to take this fat off though, because you do not want to have the fat get rancid after you make the jerky. So meat only, please. Just cut it really thin. It's okay to have a couple of thicker pieces. If you want to make smaller pieces, you can do that too. That's going to make some really nice chicken jerky. For my #1 fan, this is the sharpest knife I have ever had. I have sharpened thousands of knives, and I don't think I've ever had one out of the box this sharp ever before. So check out the link below and save up some money. It's worth every penny. How do you pronounce the name of this knife? Is it Wurstoff? I think I was worst off without it. Wurstoff. Man, they are manufacturer of some really sharp knives. Now we're gonna come back in 24 hours. The homemade, nothing better than homemade. And you can do this for your pet. If you love your dog, you're gonna make yourself some turkey jerky, chicken jerky, and you can even make beef jerky. Just no spices. I love to make beef jerky, and we've made that on this channel before. But you can't give your dogs garlic and onion, all the things that we love to eat. Nothing but dried chicken. I promise that's all they want is chicken jerky tenders. Let me know in the comments if you've made this before. You can bake it in the oven yourself on low temp. Just get it good and crunchy, nice and dry. That's the whole idea. It's going to be preserved. And when they want that snack and they come asking you, you can't possibly say no to those big brown eyes. You can safely give your dog your own homemade chicken jerky. All right, it's been 24 hours and we're back to check out our homemade chicken jerky tenders for our canine friends. Now you can see it is crispy tender and ready to go. You know, there's only one way to test this out. Let's see if she likes it.
You want some of that chicken? Oh, that's good, girl.